Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you a 40 car lot I bought off Mercari for, with tax and shipping, was about $22 and change. So let's take a look at what I got. I have not even pulled these out yet. We have a Hot Wheels, something this looks, I don't know what kind of car this is. If you race car guys know, let me know. And we have a Corvette. That's nice. And a Pontiac, a 67 Pontiac Firebird. That is really nice. I like that car. Might do a custom on that sometime. We'll set that one to the side over there. This is a Studebaker Avanti with the Redline. So that would be, that's a super nice car. I mean, the paint on the passenger door is scuffed a little bit, but overall it's a very nice car. I don't, very, very shiny. Then we have a Mustang convertible, and it says 2007 Shelby GT 500. So there's that for you muscle car guys. And most of these cars are going to be for like trades and whatnot, so if there's anything you see in here, let me know. The Nissan Skyline, it's a GTR R34. That'd make it super awesome custom. If I was good at making decals, I would do something with that. And we have a Subaru Impreza for you tuner guys. And we have a Ford Fusion police car. And yeah. Alright, what is this thing? This is Invader. I just saw one of these last night for the first time. And I was kind of looking at this thing. Does it? I don't think that comes out. I mean, you can pull it back and forth, but I don't know if I would use that for anything. That's a nice color, though. We have a prototype H24. There's that. We have retroactive, like a satin style paint on it. Big wheels on the back. We have a manufacturer for McDonald's Corporation. That's what it is. It doesn't have a name. Manufactured for McDonald's Corporation. So, yeah. It's one of those tuned Mustangs, and there's a lot of guys out there that love these things. I can't stand them. I really can't. I don't like these cars. They don't look real to me. Then we have an Asphalt Assault. That sounds like a wreck waiting to happen. And a Lotus Elise. Lotus Elise. With what looks like their attempt at pearlized paint from the factory. What is this? This is a Johnny Lightning. This is a Johnny Lightning Coca-Cola car. This is a Ford 57, I believe. That's a 57 Ford. And it has a 142 on the bottom. I'm looking, it's a 1955 Crown Victoria. Okay. 1955 Crown Victoria. Missing the hood. Super nice car, other than the hood being missing. And a stalker. A stalker with a window net, clear body, and clear wheels. And Hot Wheels. Made in Thailand. Interesting. The things and the ideas that they come up with. Let's make a see-through body. Oh, here we go. I've been wanting one of these. It's a 70 Buick GSX. Yeah. We'll put that over there with the keep. And we have a split vision. A split vision. No glass, looks like. There that is. We have it says :10 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake. There's another GT500 Super Snake. A buddy of mine has one of these for real. Might paint it to I don't know, probably not going to do a custom on it, but if I did, I would probably consider painting it like his. Is a Mercedes-Benz A-Class. No, I hate those. Alright, then we have an Austin minivan, 1965 Austin minivan. Has LC Lumber Company on it since 1975. We deliver to all cities, it says. So that's pretty cool. I have so many cars to do, I don't know. I mean, if I had time to do something like this, I would customize it. So we'll probably put that in the key pile back there. Just in case. There's a Howlin' Heat. A Howlin' Heat, and it kind of looks like something animalistic with the chrome windows and teeth for the grill. A Howlin' Heat. Alright. Oh, yeah, here we go. A Ferrari P4. Ferrari P4 for you Ferrari guys. You want that thing, let me know. Okay, here we go. We have a 70 Chevelle panel van. This has the flash on it, the real riders. This is definitely going in the keep. I might use those wheels on something else, do a custom on this. It has the red windows. I don't really like colored glass, but we'll come up with something for that maybe. Alright, another cool car. 56 Ford panel van with a blower on the hood. Don't like the paint, don't like the wheels. Don't like how the engine's chrome gold, but that can all be changed. So that goes with the keep. Alright, then we have a snow groomer. A snow groomer. Back opens, yay! It's always a good place to have stuff to put things. I don't know. We'll put that in the trade. If any of you guys want that, let me know. Then we have a Honda Civic. A Honda Civic for you tuner guys. Then we have an Aston Martin DB5. The Aston Martin DB5. I always liked the Aston Martins back in the 90s, the late 90s, early 2000s, when the Gran Turismo games were huge. I used to play those, and I always wanted to have an Aston Martin, and it was so hard to drive these things. So I don't know how realistic that was, but yeah. So I went from being a fan to not being so much of a fan of them because of that. And then we have a nerve hammer. A nerve hammer. I want this getting on my nerves because it already does. Alright. Then we have, oh, it says Dodge Challenger drift car. Oh. Definitely got to do something with that. Oh yeah, here we go. A 70 Oldsmobile, and the doors open even. This is used under license, Crestline Inc. Passenger door opens easily. There, you got the driver door open. I think the hood opens too. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is super nice. It's like they did like a texture on the top for the white vinyl top. And the graphics and the wheels. This thing is so detailed. There must be some kind of logo there. 1970. I mean, it's got a couple. This got a few minor scrapes and whatnot, but then there's a paint chip down there. I don't know if I would ever try to restore this because it's so detailed. So I really love this car, but I'm gonna put it with the trade pile. Okay. And then we have 69 Chevelle SS. 69 Chevelle SS, and this is the first one of these I've ever had. It's got, I was gonna say it's got the slicks, it's got the Hot Wheels tires. Might do a custom on that. That would be awesome. Let's separate the keep. These are the keep pile. If you guys want to trade, don't ask about those cars. I'm keeping them. And we have a Hot Wheels 63 Chevy Nova Gasser. This is a premium car. So, yeah. Got a little bit of some dings in the stripe there, but other than that, overall, it's in very good condition. Looks like the tampo is damaged on this side in a couple places, and on that side. So, you know what, maybe we'll do a custom on this sometime, swap out the wheels, use these for something else. Mainly just a color change and wheel change. This would be in detail the crap out of this thing. We could make this, and they put tampos for the taillights, but dude, I mean, metal base, we could do some awesome things with this car. That's going in the keep pile. And then we have another panel van, the Ford. This is a Ford F100 panel delivery, 1955. You know what? I'm keeping the one with the blower coming out of the hood. And this is a Matchbox, so we'll put that in the trade pile. Give you something, guys, something cool that you might want to have. And here's a Citroen DS 1968. Now, interestingly enough, the way they designed this car, like, you don't need a jack to change a tire. The way the suspension works, you can have it so it lifts one corner of the car up to change the tire. Super cool. Not one of my favorite cars in the world, but pretty awesome in what it does and what it is. Very distinctive. You see one of these, you know what it is. The taillights on this are up there on the corners of the roof. Those are the turn signals, maybe. So yeah, Citroen. Paul Restorer just did a few of these on his channel, and the guy does awesome work on his cars, restorations and making parts and things like that. He does things that I want to do on this channel. Okay, here we go. A Wonder Woman deco delivery. A Wonder Woman deco delivery with Real Riders. So I don't know if I would ever build this, but I'm keeping that for the wheels. And then we have a big banger, missing the engine. Again, that last video that I did with Cooter's truck. You guys know where I can find an engine for these, let me know. I would never build one of these, but definitely trade them. But I'd like to have engines to put with them or point you guys in the right direction. And last, a custom 64 Galaxy. Now, I just got one of these the other day. This is pretty neat with the red interior and the red wheels and everything. I really like the theme they're going with here, but it definitely needs a makeover. I'm going to put that in the keep pile. Oh, there's one more. And so then we have a Ferrari race car. Ferrari 512M. The hood opens. Everything. I'm not really into this type of race car, so I mean it's cool. We have 1, 2, 3 of those. I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile. Okay, so these are definitely keep. You know, these. Huh. Speaking of Diecast Graveyard, there he is. Here is the trade pile, and these are in there too. So if you guys are interested in any of these, let me know. We can work something out. But yeah, so listen, I didn't mention the last one. I mentioned it this time. I am on Instagram. I put pictures of my completed cars on there. I have a Patreon where I'm posting pictures of my works in progress and things that are going to be coming up on the channel. You know, if you go over there and sign up, $5 a month for the lowest tier, and you get to see those notifications, and I'll throw your name on a page in my videos. Okay. That being said, you know, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that like button for me. I really enjoy seeing all those likes. And leave comments. Tell me who you are, what you got going on. If you have a YouTube channel, I will come check it out. Alright? And ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.